How to send Toncoin from Tonkeeper Wallet to KuCoin Wallet. So first we have to open our KuCoin wallet, and from here you need to tap on this deposit button, and here in the search box tap Ton. Now you have to verify your KuCoin wallet. As you can see, I have not verified my wallet, but for you just need to verify your wallet. It's a very simple process, and after you do that verification you will find your Toncoin address and the memo. So what you have to do, you just need to copy the Toncoin address and open your Tonkeeper wallet. As you can see, make sure that you have a balance here or else it won't work. So after you copy the address from the KuCoin, you just need to press this send button, and after that you need to paste the address which you have copied from your KuCoin wallet. So just paste the address and press the continue, and after that you will have to select the amount of Toncoins you want to transfer. So after that your amount will be successfully transferred to KuCoin. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.